Alright, this for whatever reason is one of the most popular elevators on my YouTube channel. This is the Schindler HT at Dick's Sporting Goods at Woodbridge Center Mall in Woodbridge, New Jersey. It's been quite a long time, so let's go for a ride. Someone called it. Installed in, I believe, 2003. For a Schindler HT, this is actually not that bad of an elevator. And yes, Dan Allen, it was originally low-pitched. Going up?
No, go ahead.
There's plenty of room, you can fit.
Sorry about that.
I'll take it for one more ride. I don't know what their problem was. I mean, people have seen this kind of thing before. It's not like it's anything out of the ordinary. Schindler. Yeah, I decided to get a retake of this elevator. I mean, I don't know why it's one of my most popular elevators on my channel. But anyway, there you go. There it goes, and that's it.